7 ways to attract your crush if you're an introvert. Introversion is a personality trait that describes individuals who tend to prefer solitary activities, focus inward, and feel less energized by social interactions. This doesn't mean that introverts are shy, lacking social skills, or unfriendly. On the contrary, introverts can be very confident, friendly, and have excellent social skills. However, it can be challenging for introverts to attract their crush, especially if the crush is an extroverted person who enjoys socializing. The good news is that there are several ways introverts can attract their crush and build a meaningful relationship. Here are 7 of them. Number 1. Get to know your crush. The first step in attracting your crush is to get to know them. This can be done by finding common interests and engaging in conversations about them. Ask your crush about their hobbies, interests, and opinions. Try to listen to what they have to say and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. The more you know about your crush, the easier it will be to find ways to connect with them and build a rapport. Number 2. Show your true self. Introverts often have a rich inner world, and it's essential to show your crush your true self. Don't try to be someone you're not to impress your crush. Instead, let them see your authentic personality and what makes you unique. This will make your crush more interested in you and help build a deeper connection. Number 3. Be confident and assertive. Introverts can't be confident and assertive when they feel comfortable and secure. If you have a crush on someone, show them that you are confident in yourself and what you have to offer. This doesn't mean being aggressive or pushy, but instead being assertive and clear about your intentions and feelings. Number 4. Offer to spend time together. One of the best ways to attract your crush is to spend time together. Offer to go for a walk, grab a coffee, or do something else that you both enjoy. This will give you the opportunity to get to know each other better and build a stronger connection. Remember, introverts often enjoy quiet and solitary activities, so suggest an activity that allows for quiet and relaxed conversation. Number 5. Show your sense of humor. A great way to attract your crush is to show your sense of humor. This can help break the ice and create a more relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. Make your crush laugh by sharing funny stories, jokes, or using sarcasm. Remember, humor is subjective, so make sure you know your crush's sense of humor before you start cracking jokes. Number 6. Be a good listener. Introverts are often excellent listeners, and this is an excellent quality to show your crush. Show your crush that you are interested in what they have to say by listening attentively and asking questions. This will make your crush feel valued and appreciated, and it will help build a deeper connection between you. Number 7. Show affection. Finally, show your crush that you care about them by showing affection. This can be as simple as giving them a compliment, sending a thoughtful text, or giving them a small gift. Small gestures of affection can go a long way in attracting your crush and showing them that you are interested in building a relationship. As you can see, attracting your crush as an introvert requires a combination of understanding your own personality, getting to know your crush, and showing your true self. Be confident and assertive. Offer to spend time together. Show your sense of humor. Be a good listener and show affection. By following these 7 tips, introverts can attract their crush and build a meaningful and lasting relationship. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Mentally There. See you next time!